Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the keyboard light on and off on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the control panel icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the control panel. Then click Keyboard Brightness. Here you can use the slider to change the keyboard brightness. Slide the slider all the way to the left to turn it off completely, and all the way to the right for full brightness. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.